Hello friend, today we are going to learn the new topic, that is laser. In this topic we are going to cover the following contents, that is laser, its properties, then different steps involved in the formation of laser, application of laser, then few terms related to laser, that is population inversion, active medium, optical pumping, and three energy level system, and lastly helium neon laser. First we will see about the full form of laser. The full form of laser is nothing but light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The word L stands for light, word A stands for amplification, word S stands for stimulated, word E stands for emission, and R stands for radiation. Then we will see about the properties of laser. First, the light is coherent. The light with waves from laser source are exactly in same phase. The light is monochromatic. The light whose waves all have the same frequencies or wavelength. Light is unidirectional. The light produces sharp focus. Then the beam is extremely intense. The light has extreme brightness. Because of this property, the laser light differs from the ordinary light. Then we will see the first step in the production of laser, that is stimulated absorption. When the photon of energy is equal to h nu is incident on an atom, then atom gets excited, that is it moves from lower energy state to higher energy state. By making upward transition, it absorbs the external photon of energy is equal to h nu. Hence this step is known as stimulated absorption. Next, spontaneous emission. In this step, atom is already present in the excited state, and atom has short lifetime in excited state. After completion of its lifetime in excited state, spontaneously it falls down, or it comes to the ground state. While coming down to the ground state, it emits the photon of energy is equal to h nu. Hence here photon is emitted spontaneously, hence this type of emission is known as spontaneous emission. Then stimulated emission, when the electron jumps from higher energy state to lower energy state by triggering, that is supplying external energy, the emission is known as spontaneous emission. Radiations are coherent, monochromatic, and in same direction. Metastable state exists, number of photons emitted is more. Then what is meant by population inversion? Making population of higher energy level, excited state, more than the lower energy level, that is ground state, is known as population inversion. Then optical pumping. Pumping is nothing but it is the method of raising the atoms from lower energy state to higher energy state, is known as the pumping method. There are several methods of pumping the atom to the higher energy state. In this topic we are going to focus on only optical pumping. Then what is meant by optical pumping? The process of raising the atoms from lower energy state to higher energy state by using light medium is called as optical pumping. Then helium neon laser principle. Laser light is emitted by application of high frequency current to helium neon gas mixture. Construction. Helium neon laser consists of fused quartz tube having length of about 80 cm and diameter of about 1.5 cm. This tube is filled with a mixture of helium and neon gas. The mixture contains 10 parts of helium and 1 part of neon. Perfect reflector is fixed at one end and partial reflector is fixed at the other end of the tube. The active material is excited by means of high frequency generator. Then working. When electric discharge is produced in the tube, helium and neon atoms are excited. Some excited levels of helium are close to some excited levels of neon. Therefore, these excited helium atoms collide with the excited atoms of neon and transfer the energy to the neon atom. The actual lasing action is done by neon atoms. The neon atoms with extra energy from helium atom are focused to jump in ground state by emitting a photon. This produces the laser light. The newly emitted photon triggers the next neon atom and increases the radiations. Thus, coherent monochromatic unidirectional laser is produced by helium neon gas laser. The energy levels are as shown in figure.